And by the way, that was not the dab. That was actually proper sneezing procedure. Achoo, achoo.
I don't sneeze.
I don't sneeze, I dab. Hey guys, it's Ben.
And it's Natalie.
And we're bringing you a PSA today on sneezing.
And the right way to do it.
And
Do
the
not.
way everybody else does it. So guys, whenever you sneeze, there's the people who just kind of go, achoo, oh my gosh, ooh, excuse me. There's the people who go, achoo, achoo.
And then touch everything.
Yeah,
Like, Dad, not do that.
hey.
Because that's how everyone gets sick. And we don't.
And then there's the people who like get a Kleenex, but like they grab it and they're like, achoo. And then like pick their nose with it a little, and then they throw it away. But they never use Germ-X afterwards. Like you did half the steps right, but you killed it because you didn't use Germ-X. And then there's people who they just freeball and they're like, achoo. So guys, but we are gonna show you the right way to sneeze because people do it the wrong way a lot of times.
So guys, if you're in public and there's people around you and you don't have Kleenex or anything or anything to cover your mouth, the proper way to do it is to
Choo! And that is how you do it properly in public. Use your elbow, that nifty little thing that you got right there. You do the little kicking arm thing. You just go choo, achoo, 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 achoo. But guys, you don't want to use your hands because you've like touched so many things. Like I just touched that nasty thing, and then you want to put that on your face. Like really? And then you're blowing more stuff into that, and then people do that disgusting thing where they're just like, oh, I got snot on my hand, let me just wipe it on my clothes. Because that leaves stains on your clothes and people do see that. It's disgusting.
And also the bacteria does not completely take off your hands. So if you're still touching people will still get sick. No
And
matter if you think you wiped it. Like,
exactly, because you do things like you hug people, you handshake people, you do all kinds of human interactions, and all those germs which you didn't actually get off are being transferred. That's like little pieces of your body going into somebody else. It's just nasty. It's weird.
and that, we're out.
Bye guys. Make sure to sneeze properly. Achoo.